Cooler air has definitely arrived, which has furnace maintenance on our minds. Gary's here to tell us about Home Comfort Expert's 20-point precision furnace tune-up. You did ask me a few minutes ago, so have you turned on the furnace yet? You expected me to say yes, didn't you?
I did expect you to say yes.
You do know me, and you thought...
I know how you like to be comfortable. Yes.
I do, and I am proud to say I have sucked it up, and I have not turned on the furnace yet, although I have really wanted to.
Yeah.
It's really chilly right now.
Yeah, it's going to get even cooler this weekend from what they're saying.
There's a frost advisory.
I think it's
make it stop.
Maybe a little early. I think it's a little precursor to what's coming. I think we've got warmer weather ahead of us, of course, but it's a warning.
Yes, that's for sure.
You know, it's coming, and it's time to get prepared for it.
It's time to have Home Comfort Experts come out and do that 20-point precision furnace tune-up. So why have the tune-up? Why have you guys come out and do that?
Safety. The biggest one, safety. You know, we take very serious your safety in your home.
Sure.
Okay, we want you to be safe. We want to check out your furnace. Your furnace is basically a controlled fire in your house, all right, that keeps you warm. You know, we can warm your house, we can cool it. We need to make sure that it's doing it safely. Your heat exchanger inspection is a big part of that, making sure that the fire that is in your home is contained and the exhaust and the fumes that go along with that are going back outside where they're supposed to be. We do a heat exchanger. We have cameras that we can get into those furnaces and inspect the entire heat exchanger, record it, show it to you if need be. You know, one of the things, the guys have a long list. You know, I brought a couple lists of some of the stuff that the guys will bring into your home and go through a checklist. And there's more than 20 points on a furnace tune-up. You know, we list at least 20. The guys have, you know, a lot more than that they go through, a lot more things that they train on. The biggest part of what they need to do is get you involved with it.
Okay.
And show you, because your comfort in your home is the second thing that we worry about. Safety first, your comfort. You know. Right now, with everything that's going on, you know, and winter added on top of it, you're going to spend a lot of time in your home.
That's so true.
With the house closed up, that you need to make sure that you're safe and comfortable in your home.
That's very true. And if somebody's curious about what's some of the things that are on that, we can go to your website and find it.
Absolutely. There's a list right there. You know, call homecomfort.com. List there. If you ever have any questions, of course, you can call the 490-5100 number and talk to somebody about the tune-up and get that scheduled, and get it scheduled now. Better now than waiting until it's too late. So.
And it is important that we have this done at least once a year. Safety is, you know, we're seeing all these fires out west. That is my biggest fear, is a house fire. Nobody wants to go through that. I mean, that is a tragic situation. Even if you're able to get out safely, it is a tragic situation. Nobody wants to be in that. Right.
You know, fires, you know, in the wintertime, if you watch, it does kind of spike when people spending more, you know, turn on their heat, that type of thing. Nobody wants that. You know, at Home Comfort, we definitely don't want that. We want you to be very safe and secure in your home. So getting your furnace checked out is a big part of that.
Well, and better to do it now, because listen, it is just going to get cooler. We will probably have a little bit of warm still. Yeah. Somebody knock on some wood, and you know, hopefully we will. But when you do need it, you want to turn it on and for it to work. So better to call and schedule that appointment now.
Absolutely.
And you guys will get even busier.
Yeah.
As the weather changes.
I'm guessing after this weekend we're going to be really, really busy.
Yeah. So now's the time. Now is the time to call and schedule that 20-point precision furnace tune-up. All you have to do is call 260-490-5100. We'll be right back.